Remove the top panel first. Then remove the 2 screws on the top of the panel. Then tilt the ice machine. Remove the 2 bottom screws. Remove the lower half of the front panel. Then remove the 2 screws from the display panel. At this time, we can take off the front panel of the upper part of the display. Then use a screwdriver. Remove the display circuit board, 4 small screws on the back. Then unplug the circuit board. Replace with a new display. Insert the plug. Restore the 4 screws on the display panel. Then restore all panels. Then there is a card slot inside. Keep this stuck inside, just stick it in. Press it down. Replace the 2 screws on the upper panel. Install the front panel back into the machine. Okay, that's it.